Hi, I'm Vincent Menager, technical and training specialist for the Entrelec range of tower blocks at T-Connectivity. Welcome to this second video dedicated to electrical panel design, which is part of our video series where we review for 7 key steps what you can do to get the best from your panel design when integrating tower blocks. In today's video, we'll speak about the study, design, and layout phase, and I will give you 4 examples of solutions and tools that you can use to gain efficiency and speed at that stage. Nowadays, electrical panel designer place a great importance on the study phase, taking care to create accurate diagram to minimize production and delivery issues caused by errors in the design or layout. The study phase must focus first both on the electrical requirements that define the power required, electrical dimension of equipment, protection, and conductors, and so on, and also the physical requirement that study the internal layout positioning of equipment, dimensions, space requirements, and so on. To do so, designers have been using CAD software since the 90s. This has radically simplified and speed up the processes used to create drawings. CAD software were initially grouped by application, with electrical CAD for the electrical schematic, and mechanical CAD for the physical layout. Technological development have blurred the boundary between the two. CAD software, whether electrical or mechanical, now offer a virtually complete electrical and mechanical solution, usually in 2D and 3D. This makes it much easier to handle projects holistically. The challenge for tower block manufacturers is to be able to offer integrated or add-on products and services to customers who are using both CAD software to further optimize the operations. This is what I propose to review now for 4 examples. The first one is the use of dedicated tower block assembly CAD design software. Typically, electrical cabinets easily incorporates few hundreds of tower blocks and related accessories, as you can see on the screen here. All those parts are linked by dedicated compatibility rules, specific functions, depending on the applications. That's why it's important to guide the user in the process of implementation. Advise users will use a dedicated CAD software, such as EasyRail Designer from T-Connectivity, which simplifies the selection, design, and production processes for pre-assembled tower blocks. The software allows the creation of tower block assembly drawings in 2D and 3D. Let's take a look at some of the criteria you will need to take into account when considering such a software. First, the interface must be very simple to be easily handled by all stakeholders of such a process in order to simplify and secure the technical data exchange related to this project, and consequently, to allow significant time savings and efficiency. To do so, the software should offer a simple and intuitive interface, such as any non-specialist users will be able to quickly master the software without any supervision and be guided to create advanced outputs, such as managing multiple projects and quickly create detailed drawing with all tower blocks, related accessories and marking, generating 3D files to export in other CAD systems, and finally, generate a technical file with production drawing, part list, technical data, and more. Finally, it is useful for the various parties to be able to customize their project. For example, by importing their company logo or drawing title block, external components or equipment, such as diode, resistor, circuit breakers, power supply, and so on, which were not initially included in the software library. The second solution, which is related to this first subject, is to use the concept of pre-assembled and pre-marked tower blocks. Instead of installing one by one all tower blocks on the rail, such as the one displayed here, user can buy from the manufacturers under one single part number a complete set of tower blocks pre-mounted on the rail, pre-marked, equipped with the right accessories, and ready to be installed into the panel. The solution is of a particular interest for OEM or major panel builders. Can save a lot of time and money since it's no longer necessary to store components at their own premises, and there are benefits from on-demand production. For designers, this enables better management of production costs by reducing the manufacturing steps with less assembly operation, quality control already performed by the supplier, support from an expert like the one provided by team. This solution, when combined with ThermoBlock assembly software, offers designer an extremely efficient production solution. The first solution of our list is the use of 3D part download platforms. Designers who use their own CAD resources, often mechanical, for equipment layout purposes, must be able to quickly and easily access the 3D model they want to use. It is much easier to import and use this model if they are available in the native format of the CAD being used. Nowadays, high-powered platform for downloading 2D and 3D model can be accessed free of charge. This allows the user to access complete part catalogs, generate online model in the desired format, and import them freely into their project. T-Connectivity offers to his customers a large scope of part download services. 3D and 2D models, 3D PDF are accessible directly from T.com website. And for more advanced needs, many of our products are available on major platforms such as Part Community and TracePart. The last solution is dedicated to electrical CAD softwares with an import and export interface between the CAD and ThermoBlock assembly design software. In the first part of this video, we have seen that electrical CAD software are used by designers to create the electrical circuit diagram of a cabinet. Gateways installed by the ThermoBlock manufacturers and the electrical CAD suppliers can be used to further boost the productivity during the project study phase. As a matter of fact, electrical CAD platforms are designed for global project planning and do not offer high level of detail or comprehensive dedicated rules. For example, for a ThermoBlock assembly, the diagram generated will be fairly basic, showing only the rail, the ThermoBlocks, and few basic accessories. It is therefore useful for the designers to be able to export the basic bill of material from the CAD to the specialized ThermoBlock assembly design software, such as EasyWay Designer. Detail can then be added to the drawing using compatible accessories and drilling plans, and any correction can be made. Once this step is finalized, the corrected bill of material can be re-imported into the CAD to supplement the project main bill of material. At the same time, the user can retrieve the complete technical file for the ThermoBlock assembly with its drawing bill of material.